I'm here to tell you now how to boost your car, the easy way to do it. Okay, the blue car is not working, it's not starting, and this Acura gonna try to boost the blue car. First, what you need is a booster cable. Okay, this booster cable is the one gonna help you to make the blue car to start because the battery went dead. The booster cable, there are two wires on each side. One is red, like plus, positive, and one is black, negative, minus. On both ends, we got two wires. But first thing to do to avoid any spark in the car, hook up the plus first. That's the plus side. Because it's red, see this red one came out there. That's red, plus. And then go to the other side of the car, hook it up, the plus side. On the other side, see it's red, plus, positive. And then once you hook up the plus side, hook up the negative. See this negative, see this plus there. And then after you hook up the two wire there, and then you hook up the last negative cable on another battery. There you go. And then once you hook up the two cable, now I'm gonna try to start the blue car because the blue car wasn't starting. So the blue car start now. So leave the car running for about 5-10 minutes, but for the time being, you're gonna have to take the cable off. First, you're gonna start from the negative. Remove the negative side, put it here, and put the other negative side of the car, like that. And remove the positive like that, the positive cable wire, and you can remove the cable out. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button there. Stay tuned for more LoLos-EZ-Fix video working in the car or in the house.